everybody! Today, we're going to go shopping for Rubik's Cubes. Hey, I just tricked you. We actually just gave an Amazon order. And it's right here. So, I'm going to show you while I'm opening my new Rubik's Cubes. I'm so excited to open them. So I'll open that part and that part. So here we have 2x2 and a stand for it. And we also have 5x5. Wow, it looks pretty big. And then here we have 3x3 and 4x4. So here we have this mini screwdriver. And we also have this little menu. These little manuals. So now I'm going to show you when I'm opening them. So let's open 5x5 first because it's the biggest. Pretty heavy and pretty slippery. So first out, it's hard to move one layer. I cannot move one layer on this. So if you want to get this Rubik's Cube, you can order it from the link in the description box. So now we'll start cleaning up the edges. I wonder how to take the before out. And let's clean them up. Let's put all the covers and this in here. And here we have some stands. I'll open this one. And then we can put it. Let's keep the manuals in there too. And they also gave a little screwdriver to assemble the cubes. You can just close that and I'll just put that to the side. So see how they fit into their stands. So I'll take out one for each. 4x4 stand. 3x3. Yeah, it's 3x3. And now the heaviest and the biggest, 5x5. So now you see I can solve 2x2 and 3x3. I'm still learning 4x4 and 5x5. So I'm going to first mix up 3x3 and 2x2 and then solve them. And then I'm going to try 4x4 and 5x5. Now let's scramble the cubes. Now I already scrambled 5x5 and 3x3. So let's scramble 4x4. Okay, so now to scramble the last one, it's 2x2. Pretty easy to scramble. Okay, I'll just first put these in order. There, and then 3x3. Let's now put the box aside. Okay, so now I'll start solving this cube. Now let's see how fast I can solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Let's get started. I'm done. Okay, now I'm done now. So now let's see how fast I can solve 3x3. Now let's start solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so now I finished 3 by 3. So here's all the sides, and I'll just place it in the stand. So I finished these. I hope you liked this video. If you also want to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, then you can look in the description box to find the video that I explained step by step how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so I don't know 4 by 4. I'll make another video about it when I learn. So I'm just now going to try it. Oh, the video is still on. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. Please like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And please share. Bye!